How to get the last character in string in Python. Let us take a string value, in variable x, say apple. To get the last character in the string in x, we can use string indexing using square brackets. Specify the index of the character in square brackets after the string variable. This expression returns the character in the string at the index specified in the square brackets. Since we need the last character, we need to specify the index of the last character, which is length of the string -1. Or you can specify just -1. Let us store the returned value in a variable, say x_last. And print the last character to the output using print built-in function. Run the program. The output is E, because the last character in the given string apple is E. Let us try for another string value, say fig. And run the program. The output is G, because the last character in the given string fig is G. In summary, we have used index with the string to get the last character in a given Python string. Thank you for watching Python courses by Coder Bean.